What's up everyone? Welcome back to the We Are Investing channel, a channel that is dedicated on investing and personal finance. So I just wrapped up a video on the stimulus check update. If you didn't have a chance to check out that video, I highly recommend you checking it out now because that information is kind of crucial to what this video is about. But this video is solely on the main reasons why you might see this kind of error from the Get My Payment tool. Now this error states that your payment status is not available, and according to information that we have on file, we cannot determine your eligibility for a payment at this time. For more information on the eligibility rules, see our frequently asked questions page. And trying to get a hold of the IRS, you're gonna be waiting on hold for days, years, months. So hopefully this video is a good precursor and might help you understand some of the reasons why you might be receiving this error. So we'll get into those reasons, but before getting into them, I'm going to be like every other YouTuber and ask that you hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, smash that like button, and add a comment below to get those YouTube algorithms really cranking, help grow this channel, and help me better serve you. Okay, the first reason might be that you did not enter your address correctly. Check the notes, make sure that you follow that format, tweak the format here and there if it's not working. If you try too many times, you get an error that says, please try again. You exceed your amount of tries and check back in 24 hours. Okay, reason number 2 is that you're an SSA, RRB, SSI, or VA benefit recipient. They have not updated that system to include people that receive those kinds of benefits, so they're currently not in the system for the Get My Payment tool. They're working on that process, and I don't know how long it's going to take. My recommendation to you would be to check every day. They update the system daily, so there's no reason to check multiple times a day. One is fine. A third reason is that you never filed for your taxes, or you just recently filed for your taxes. If you recently filed, it takes a while for the system to update. It takes around 21 days for them to file your claim, and then maybe it takes 21 days for them to update the system of Get My Payment. That is a pure guess, solely based on the average time it takes for them to review your taxes. Case number 4 might be that you have no direct deposit information on file. That might have been if you never set it up when you filed your taxes originally, if you never filed taxes, or if you had to owe taxes and you never had to set up your direct deposit. Reason number 5 might be that you're a dependent. If you're a student, you can be filed as a dependent until you're 24 years old. So if your parents filed you as a dependent in their tax returns, you will receive this error in Get My Payment tool. Number 6 is that they cannot verify your identity. For whatever reason, they're just not able to verify that. Whether your name has changed, there's something in the system that does not match. There's nothing you can do on your end to resolve this, and unfortunately you don't know if this is the case. But some information that I do have, which is somewhat helpful to this matter, is that you will receive a letter in the mail after the check has been sent to your last known address. In this mail, they will state that, hey, the check has been delivered, it was delivered to this location, and so on and so forth. So you will be notified when that check is sent. And you could address the situation after it's sent, and hopefully there is no mess up. And to all my viewers out there, hopefully you receive your check and you don't have to go through the hassle of dealing with the IRS, because I know that that can be a huge pain. And the last reason why you might receive this error, and there's not much information out there for me to tell you guys, but there are about 21 million people who file with H&R Block or TurboTax, and there's a glitch that causes you to get that error. They're obviously working on this situation. I don't know how long it's going to take. I don't know if you're part of that 21 million. I haven't received my check. I get that error. I can also be part of that 21 million. You never know. All I know is that I was not part of the first 80 million people to receive their stimulus checks. So that wraps it up. Those are the reasons that I know on why you might receive this payment status not available on the IRS Get My Payment tool. And like I said at the beginning of this video, if you want to learn more about the stimulus checks, check out the videos that I have in my video library. I'm going to add links in the video description on the 2 videos that I made. The first one goes over who qualifies for a check. The second one is an update, when checks will be sent out, what to expect, and also links on these Get My Payment tools, and when you should go through the Get My Payment tool, and if you're a non-filer, what can you do, and who classifies as a non-filer. But other than that, thank you so much for sticking around to the end. It's been a pleasure. I learned a lot in preparing for this video, and it really helps me understand the situation a little bit better. So thank you for making me do my own research in order to make this video. Thank you so much. But other than that, it's been real, it's been fun, it's been real fun, and this is We Are Investing, and together we are invincible.